Shidim Shari. Morning, it's Monday, June 24th, last week of June. Talking about fast moving, right? 2024. Let's see if my prediction will come through this week. I predicted a tight range, sideways kind of movement this week for the most part, unless the econ data is going to move the market. Okay, we don't know. We don't know what the econ data is going to be. As always, that tend to have the most weight on the market, no matter how the big boy would like to control the market, right? So today, let's see, I'm going through the gauntlet of econ schedule. Today we have the 3 months and 6 months auction. As always, you gotta sell those treasuries to keep paying the crooks and cronies in DC, right? Somebody got to pay the bills for them to dress up and buffoon around. So yes, you have that, but that's it. Oh, I forgot. 10:30, you have the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index. That's kind of important, okay, because that's has been nothing but negative. If you look at go to the website and take a look, that um, had been negative the entire year. Over the past 12 months, it has been very weak. That's probably one of the weaker manufacturing uh, survey that we get. So that's semi important, but it's not a big deal. And then on Tuesday, you have a bunch of housing, Case-Shiller, home price, house price. But then you have the Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index. Okay, so that's another thing. And then the Dallas also had the Fed Service Index. Of course, more Treasury auction on Tuesday. Yeah, that's so Tuesday is also another fairly light day. And then Wednesday you have the mortgage data, which is new home sales. Okay, and then of course more nonsense. Well, more auctions. So that's light as well. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, light. Thursday, GDP, durable goods, jobless claim, retail inventories, wholesale inventories, core PCE. All right. So that's, and then pending home sales, all that's and then all kind of treasury auctions. You're talking a lot. Gotta beef up that balance sheet going to Friday, right? The end of the week. Gotta have money for the government to pay out paychecks. So that's a gauntlet. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, pretty much not a whole lot of stuff that can move the market. So I don't see any big potential catalyst until Thursday. All right, on the screen, BTC getting the big whack. Okay, it has been a while since we had one of these nasty candle. Last time we have something like that, it was back in April, the end of April. So now, as always, yeah, sure, it break the 100. Is that the end of the world? Not really. What's more important is holding 60, right? So hopefully you trim, hopefully you set stop. I'm out of IBIT, right? So I don't care. Um, where would I buy? Well, we'll see if it tests the ref low. Okay, Could it be 57? I would nibble at 57. Hopefully you set your stop at 63 as far as IBIT equivalent, right? As always, okay? Ignore the noise with crypto, with the halving, the cycle, this and that, the inflation hedge, this and that. It is not. It's very clear. It's not hedging inflation, nothing. Oh my God. Uh, by this point, after a few years of covering crypto, I hope my point is very clear. Okay? It's trading with TA. Use TA as your guidance, okay? Now, let's do something that we haven't done before I go. Let's see if there's anything that we need to pay attention to. Oh, okay. Let's make that line white. In fact, I'm gonna clean up this chart a little bit because it's looking a little bit kind of messy, wouldn't you say? I'm gonna clean all of this up. Remove. 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 Now it's getting better. Getting better. Remove. Okay. More sensible, yeah. Okay, so what you see? This trend line up with ref low. So there you go. Okay, that's why we do what we do. Well, that's why I do what I do. You can do whatever you want. So if you want to buy the dip, throw in an order on Bitcoin or ETF equivalent at 57.5 ish. Okay, that'd be a good spot to. At least that's where I would reload my IBIT. All right, let's move on to the casino sector. First up is the China one. China. Okay, all right. I trim a whole lot, and then I got stopped out right there on this day right here. Okay, I'm just like, there was too much gain. Okay, too much gain to leave behind. Sure, I would love to trim in not in this gray zone, but that was I didn't know if it had the giddy up to get up there. Anyhow, I start to accumulate. I think 7.7 was the spot that I bought, and of course I bought below that, and I have not completely restocked, but I have reloaded about 75% of the share that I had up here. Okay, so that's fine. I like the casino. So for now, would I buy more at 7.5? I would love to buy more below 7, to be honest. So I believe I don't have any order until I see 7 and below. Okay, because I bought all I want in the 7.5 range. Okay, so for now, unless it dip below, I'm fine with what I have. LVS, I like. Let's see. Okay, I got some. I bought some on this ugly area here. Ref, it's new 52-week low. I bought a little bit on this reversal here. I add some more. Okay, and for now, I'm watching. Would I trim at 48? Yeah, I mean the ref high, the the high of the gap down is right lining up almost to the 200 MA, right? So yeah, for sure, 48 and above, get out. Okay, that's where I plan to trim the share. But for now, on a pullback, I would buy. Would I buy 44 and below? Yeah, I like LVS. No, MGM. Definitely not in a buy zone. Okay, for me, MGM trim. Okay, for sure, trim. Easy buy in the gray zone. Okay, um, but for now, if you have it, trim. Last one of the bunch. WYNN. Um, I wouldn't mind buying. Okay, on the check back of this downtrend. Um, I wouldn't mind. I don't have any. I have exposure to LVS and MLCO, and for now, I'd rather stay with those two horses. But it's not a bad idea to nibble WYNN here. Okay, but it's the casino is, like I said, is out of favor. They do have the fundamental. Okay, as weak as China economy is, Macau is doing very well, very well. So um, that's why I like MLCO a lot. That's where my most of my chips are with MLCO because Macau is booming, and the monthly data come out of Macau is very good. So, but they are not in favor right now, so they are a weak sector, and that's it for today. Let's start the week out strong.